सचिनंदन जय गौर हरि।
और ब्रह्मचारी कहाँ गए? Call to them.
Yes.
I come.
Yeah. Can sing Ekadasi Kirtan. Shri Hari.
Kirtan last.
Okay. Which one?
Yeah. Nitai Gunamani Nitai Gunamani.
Nitai Gunamani Yama. Nitai Gunamani. Aniya Primera Vana. Vasaloyavani. Premirvanyaloya Nita. Aila Gurajese. Dobilo Bhakatagana. Dinahina Vase. Dinahina Kaditaka. Maranahi Vache. Brahmara Dulabha Prema. Sabakare Jate. Avada Karuna Sindhu. Patiya Mohana. Gare Gare Bole Prema. Amiyara Vana. Lochan Bole Mora Nita. Ye Bana Bajilo. Janiya Suniya Se. Atmagati Holo. Nitai Gunamani Ama. Nitai Gunamani. Aniya Primera Vanya. Vasaloyavan. Nitai मनरे कहना रखा मनरे कहना रखा ओरे रानम अमी आराधम ओरे रानम अमी आराधम प्रीति मोराति दाता प्रीति मोराति दाता मनरे कहना गोरा गाता मनरे कहना गोरा गाता आयाने गोरा सपने गोरा गोरा नायने तारा नयने गोरा सपने गोरा गोरा नायने तारा जीवने गोरा मरणे गोरा गोरा गालाला आरा जीवने गोरा मरणे गोरा गोरा गालाला हारा हियारा माजरे गौरंगरा বিড়ালে বসে আরো হিয়ারা বাজারে গৌরঙ্গা রাখি বিড়ালে বসে আরো মনের সাধেতে সেরূপা চাঁদে রে মনের সাধেতে সেরূপা চাঁদে রে নয়নে নয়নে তো নয়নে নয়নে তো গৌরা বিহানে না বাঁচে পারাণে গৌরা কারে
श्रवणा द्वादशी, विजया द्वादशी, अरे पार्षद एकादशी ना? जीव गोस्वामी पाद, जीव गोस्वामी पाद appearance day.
Yeah, it is same.
Come.
Okay.
Kirtan finish or no?
Mahaprabhu, Nitai Mahaprabhu.
Okay.
My internet's going very slow. Yeah, Pancha. Today is 4th. Today, Shuddha Ekadasi, Grata fasting for Pancha Ekadasi. Here saying, here saying tomorrow is Brahman Dwadasi, appearance by Brahmana Deva and Jiva Goswami's appearance.
Oh, yeah.
And then Saturday, Bhaktivinoda Thakur Avirbhav.
Australia.
Australia, yes.
Today not Jiv Goswami Padi.
Here, this is from Marilamba. Should I change it to here? Same. Then saying on today, 4th, only Shuddha Ekadasi Vrat fasting for Pasha Ekadasi today. Then tomorrow Dwadasi saying Vama
You go
Dwadasi
sing part appearance day which day?
tomorrow. Together with Vaman Dwadasi. And then Saturday after tomorrow, Bhaktivinoda Thakur appearance.
Okay, chalo. Bolo Nitai Gaura Nam Anandir Dham. Nitai Gaura Nam Anandir Dham. Vijano Nahilo. Ayo Nitai
92.
Gaura Nam Anandir Dham. Vijano Tare jamra, tare loye ja, tare jaya, tare loye ja, वासरे
श्री हरि वसरे
श्री हरि वासरे हरि कीर्तन विधान श्री हरि वासरे हरि कीर्तन विधान नित्यारंभिला
प्रभु जगते पुण्यवंत शिवासन गणेश Page 112. 112. Morning, Chun.
Really? How are you? Good?
Very good, right?
Huh? Today I was listening your glory.
Oh.
I will drive your car. Go ahead. बोला ना?
Morning, Chun. Is it? Radhika charana reno bhushana kariyatano anayase pave giridhari Radhika charana reno bhushana kariyatano anayase pave giridhari Radhika charana Shraya Jekare se Mahashaya Radhika Charana Shraya Jekare se Mahashaya मेरो श्याम देखो, कौन मेरो श्याम देखो, कौन मेरो श्याम देखो, कौन मेरो श्याम देखो। राधा तेरो श्याम वृंदावन देखो, राधा तेरो श्याम वृंदावन देखो, राधा तेरो श्याम वृंदावन देखो, राधा तेरो श्याम वृंदावन देखो। कौन मेरो श्याम देखो, कौन मेरो श्याम देखो,
आपको बोला हाँ? आपको चांस दे रहे हैं पढ़ें? They are speaking too much, but calm down.
Hare Govinda Radhikaya Tadale Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Adabhaktaya Namo Namaha Om Agyan Tridandasya Gyananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Jena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Namo Vishnu Padaya Gaura Prasthaya Bhutale Srimati Bhaktivedanta Vani Namane Namo Vishnu Padaya Radhikaya Priyatmane Srimati Bhaktivedanta Narayana Namane Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimati Bhaktivedanta Swami Namane Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasri Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Mukhaṁ karoti vachalam pangam kayate girim Yatripatamaham vade Shri Guru Dinatarina. So first of all, I would like to offer my humble obeisances unto the lotus feet of my dear most Srila Gurudev, Om Vishnupada Stotra Sat, Shri Srimad Bhaktivedanta, Vana Goswami Maharaj. Also to my Param Gurudev, Nityalila Pravishna Om Vishnupada Stotra Sat, Shri Srimad Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj, to the whole Guru Parampara, all the Vaishnavas, Vaishnavis, and all of you present here. Gurudev asked me to speak something. Even though I know I'm not qualified, this is always a chance to purify my heart and my mind by trying to remember what we have heard. All of these days since Gurudev has been here, he's speaking so much about the glories of Srimati Radhika, so many beautiful pastimes about childhood of Srimati Radhika, and also so much Radha Tattva, so much Tattva Siddhanta. And today in the morning walk, he was explaining how he's speaking about all of these very high kathas so that we may develop some greed. Even though we are not qualified to hear, but if we listen, then we have this desire, right? We develop this greed to one day serve like this. So even though I'm not qualified to hear, he's giving this opportunity to listen to this beautiful katha so that some good impression may stay in our heart, isn't it? He was saying how sometimes when we go on the street, there are like billboards, you know, and sometimes like those big TVs, and there is so much advertisement. Sometimes there is one advertisement going repeatedly, right? Maybe like the shoes advertisement. Oh, buy this shoe, and the shoe is going on repeatedly, and sometimes even any famous football player will be there showing that shoe. Why? To create like a very deep impression, and then, oh, I want to buy this shoe, I want to be like that player, right? So this is happening in this material world, but in the same way, he's trying to give us an impression of the spiritual world, isn't it? All of these days he's speaking, all the beautiful pastimes of Srimati Radhika. He always says how you don't need to collect in many places if you read his books like Madhusmita Shri Radha. There's so many beautiful pastimes from so many Puranas that we never heard, but we can, take advantage of this opportunity of listening to these beautiful pastimes. And there's so many pastimes and so many things. I just wanted to remember the other day in the temple of Morilumba, he was explaining how Srimati Radhika, explaining from Chaitanya Charitamrita, how Srimati Radhika, she's greater than Krishna in everything, in every aspect. So he was explaining how the body fragrance of Srimati Radhika is even greater than Sri Krishna's, right? He explained that even a manifestation of Krishna, who is Vishnu, the four Kumaras were meditating in the impersonal aspect of the Lord. But by the prayer of Lord Brahma, then the fragrance of Krishna's lotus feet, right, that very sweet fragrance, mixed with Tulsi that is on his feet, that went to the nostrils of the four Kumaras, and that broke that impersonal meditation, and they came out from this. So how powerful is the fragrance of a manifestation of Krishna who is Vishnu, right? So Krishna is all attractive and he's attracting everyone with all of his qualities, his 64 qualities. But then Gurudev explained how Srimati Radhika, when she is in Man, she's in this Durjai Man, unbreakable Man, and she's in the other side of Radha Kunda, very distant from Krishna. And Krishna is there in the Sangam, in the place between Radha Kunda and Shama Kunda. And he's looking towards Srimati Radhika, and the breeze is going through and playing with her cloth, right? And then when he sees that, he starts to glorify Pavandev, the wind, saying how fortunate you are that you get to play with the cloth of Srimati Radhika. And he's saying, I cannot do like this. You are very fortunate because you're playing with her cloth. And what's happening, the wind, because our body fragrance stays in our clothes, right? He said that, my Guru said that the body, everyone has their own smell in their body. So even if you wash your clothes, maybe you can get the clothes of everyone and put in the washing machine. But after, if you take out, if you smell, you can tell which one is which, isn't it? So the fragrance of Srimati Radhika is in her cloth. And when Pavandev, right, when the wind is blowing, then it's bringing that scent of Srimati Radhika's body to Krishna, and that attracts him. So we heard so many glories of how Srimati Radhika is even greater than Shri Krishna, but really this is all by the mercy of Guru and Vaishnavas, isn't it? I feel that we're most fortunate because we're having sadhu sangha. We have this opportunity to hear about these pastimes. There is one book of Srila Gaur Govinda Maharaj where he is explaining that to get the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, we must first receive the mercy of his Priyajan, of his very close and intimate associates. So I know I'm not qualified to speak here, but I am thankful to have this opportunity to purify my tongue, purify my heart, by trying to remember a little bit of what Gurudev have been speaking. He spoke so much, my memory cannot really obtain. But I'm praying that, I can receive one drop of mercy of the Priyajan, the very close associates of Lord Mahaprabhu, like my Gurudev and Guru Varga. Like this, my life will be successful. Dhanyavad.
अरे बोलो जो इच्छा बोलो कुछ भी नहीं जानते आज थोड़ा तो जानते हो हाँ ऐसे कपिल के माँ बोलो बोलो you can speak no I can't you can वो तरुण नहीं बोला तरुण हरी बोल
Taruni Didi? In the kitchen. Taruni Didi?
बोलना नहीं चाहते ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालि कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामने गौरतिसे हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधो जगतपते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्ते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी विश्वभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिय ओं वृंदावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः भक्ता विहीना अपराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादि तरङ्गमाद्रि कृपामयि त्वां शरणां प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं 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 भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रा स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितासं वदामि राधां करुणावरद्र ततो मम नास्ति गतिर्न कापि श्यामसुन्दर शिखण्ड शेखर स्मेरहास मुरली मनोहर राधिकारसिकमं कृपानिधि सप्रिया चरण किङ्करीं कुरु संविदा दशन तिरंग विभो प्रार्थये ब्रजमंद्रनंदन अस्तु मोहन तवाति वल्लवा जन्म जन्मनि मदेश्वरी प्रिया श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे so
महाराज की जय श्री गुरुदेव की जय श्री रूप गुरुवर्ग की जय अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की
So today is very super. First of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Gurupad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Sadhmad Bhakti Vedant Silavan Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satsrimad Bhakti Vedanta Sila Narayan Goswami Maharaj, and simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satsrimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, and Srila Gauraganda Goswami Maharaj, and Srila Bhakti Rakha Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So today is very super excellent auspicious day. And today is called Parsha Ekadashi. Another is called which Ekadashi? No. Parsha Ekadashi. And tomorrow will be Vaman Dadashi. And also Jiva Goswami Pad Avirbhav Tithi, appearance day. So just I want to tell you, Lord, he performs sweet Leela. That is called Lokavattu Leela Kaivalam. In our Vrat, start in Chaturmasa Vrat, start in Guru Purnim. Then that time Guru is that time it is called. After Guru Purnim, that is called Deva. Now before Shravan Ekadashi. Before Shravan Ekadashi, before Guru Purnim, that means after Ratha Yatra, then Dasami Tithi Ratha Yatra, then Shayan Ekadasi, Lord, he took rest, sleep. His sleep is called Yoga, Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra. We are sleeping in Mahamaya Nidra. When we sleep, that time we don't know about our body. We completely or forget our consciousness. But Lord, his sleep, that is called Yoga Nidra. Just he is doing this Leela, Yoga Nidra. Then after 2 months now, after Shayana Ekadasi, now 2 months, that is called Lord, he turned his body. That is called Parsha Ekadasi. When you are sleeping, sometimes we also turn our body. In the same way, Lord, he also today he turned his body. So for this regard, this is called Parsha Ekadasi Tithi. And Sayan Ekadasi, Parsha Ekadasi. Then after 2 months, then Lord he will be called waking up. That is called Utthan Ekadasi. In month of Kartik, that is called Utthan Ekadasi. In this way, Lord, he performs sweet leelas, Lokavattu Leela Koi Balam. But actually, I want to speak also. Radharani's Katha is not complete. Many Radharani's Katha is there. How Radharani appeared in this material world, so many Katha is there. Our Puranas, so many sweet pastimes about Radharani, she descended from Golok Vrindavan, this to material world. Just I tell you one very nice, beautiful Leela Katha. Just I remember. In transcendental world, Golok Vrindavan, one Krishna, he was meeting with in one Sakhi. Very nice, beautiful Kunja. Or outside, Sridham, the brother of Srimati Radhika, he was guarding God. But anyhow, Srimati Radhika, she realized that now Krishna is meeting with one Sakhi. Then Srimati Radhika, she became very angry. Srimati Radhika, she came in front of the Kunja. That time, Sridham, he stopped to Srimati Radhika. Sridham told, Radhi, you cannot enter in this Kunja. But Srimati Radhika, no, I have to go this time. But that time, Srimati Radhika, she became very angry with Sridham. Then Srimati Radhika, she gave curse to Sridham. You have to become demon and go to the material world. And Srimati Radhika, she gave curse to Sridham. Sridham, he became very angry. Sridham also gave curse to Srimati Radhika. Hey Radhe, and without reason, you also gave me curse. Demon. I am following the instruction of my friend Krishna. This is not my fault. Krishna gave me order. Hey Sridham, if anybody will come, you should stop. No one can enter in this kunja. So for this regard, I am guarding here. Just to follow the instruction of my friend Krishna. But without reason, you also gave me curse. Demon. I will give another curse, no problem. You can beat me, no problem. But you gave me curse. Or which curse? Demon. This is very cruel words or not? Very strong. Strong harsh words. Then Siddham also gave curse to Srimati Radhika. Siddham, he told, hey Radhe, you have to go material world and 100 years. How many? Shatavatsa. 100 years you have to feel separation from your beloved Srimati, beloved Krishna. And Krishna विरह के लिए तुम्हें 100 वत्सर तुम्हें तड़पना पड़ेगा विरह में. In this way, Sridham and Srimati Radhika, they gave curse to each others. Then Krishna came out from the Kunja. Then Srimati Radhika, she was crying. Understand this? Yeah, how can I tolerate 100 years separation from you? Srimati Radhika, she cannot tolerate just 1 second separation from Krishna. Jugaita nivesanam chakusa pabhrishaitam sunnaitam jagata sarvam govindam viraheno. Shiksha stuck. So how we can tolerate? Then Krishna specified to Srimati Radhika, hey Radhe, actually this is not the fault of Sridham. In this Golok Vrindavan, all we are meeting together. That is called Milan Ras. But without separation mood. And this Milan Ras, meeting Ras, will be not realizable. So just these types of desire came in my heart. And so now Sridham also gave him curse to you. Actually, this is not the fault of Sridham. Understand? So Krishna told, hey Radhe, you go to the material world, and after our meeting Leela, then that means I will perform sweet Vrindavan Leela with you. Then after Vrindavan Leela, I will left Vrindavan to Mathura, and then you will feel separation from me. But externally you will feel separation from me. This is true. But internally you always meet with him. Meet with me. So in this way, Krishna specified to Srimati Radhika, because conditioned soul, they have no idea what is the meaning of separation mode. Navina vipralambhena sambhogapushti masnute. Without separation, meeting would be not realizable. For this regard, you will feel, externally you feel separation from me. This is true. But internally you will meet with. Or another hand, I will also feel separation from you. I will stay in Mathura and Dwarka, and I will feel separation from you. So in this way, Krishna specified to Srimati Radhika. So Srimati Radhika, she appeared after Vrindavan Leela. Krishna performed sweet meeting Leela with Srimati Radhika. This lies very nice. Then Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura to Dwarka. But Mathura and Dwarka, when Krishna he was staying, Krishna also felt pang of separation from Srimati Radhika. And this life is going on this way. So now Sridham, he was crying also. And Sridham, he says, "Hey, oh my friend, how possible you pacified my life without your association?" And then Krishna also pacified to Sridham. Sridham, don't worry. And one form, you will be always with me. Or another form, you will be demon. So this Sridham, he appeared in this form of, what is his name? Shankachur. Answer. Shankachur, no? And that demon. Who
Came last that time into brother and we.
Yeah,
Sankachudis came in.
No. Another Leela is there. Who is the Vrinda Devi? He married with Vrinda. Jalandhar. Shankachur, Jalandhar. That's it. Shankachur, this Katha is another. Different Puranas. So that is called Jalandhar. Then Sridham, he appeared one form of Jalandhar. Jalandhar, he performed hard austerities and worship to Lord Shiva. And he asked Lord Shiva, if you give one benediction, no one can defeat to me. Even Lord Vishnu can't defeat to me. Then Lord Shiva told, okay, if your wife will be chaste lady, so no one can defeat you. Lord Shiva also give benediction to Jalandhar. So Jalandhar, he married with Tulasi. Understand? But this Tulasi, who is the Sakhi of Srimati Radhika, or another Tulasi that is called her shadow, Chaya. That Tulasi, that her name is also Tulasi. She was very chaste lady. She married with Jalandhar. So Jalandhar, when he got this benediction from Lord Shiva, he disturbed to everybody. Because this is the nature. Asura's nature is what? Prabhuta pai kai madana hoi. This is the symptoms of demon. If they get some power, position, they will become very arrogant. Very arrogant. So Jalandhar, he disturbed to everybody. He conquered to all the demigod is disturbed to everybody. Because Jalandhar, he knows that no one can defeat to me. Even Vishnu will not defeat to me. So for this regard, Jalandhar, he disturbed to everybody. Then all the demigod and demigoddess headed by Brahmaji, they pray to Lord Vishnu. They what will do now? Jalandhar, he disturbed everybody. He conquered heavenly planet and everywhere. Then many times he also defeat to all the demigods. Then all demigod again they pray to Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu told, okay, I will help. Because Lord, only these things Lord Vishnu he knows. What is that?
Yes, benediction.
The Jalandhar, he got this benediction, Lord Shiva, and if his wife, Brinda, Tulasi, is chaste, then no one can defeat to him, Jalandhar. So, but Lord Vishnu is Sarvagya, he knows everything. So Lord Vishnu is thinking, Lord Vishnu one day, he disguised the form of Jalandhar and he met with Tulasi. Understand this? Then, so Tulasi, she also become unchaste. Then also Lord Vishnu, again he killed Jalandhar. When Jalandhar left this body, then the Tulasi, she asked Lord Vishnu, my husband got this benediction. No one can defeat to him until my chastity. So who destroyed my chastity? That time Lord Vishnu told, hey Tulasi, actually I did this thing. That time Tulasi, he also gave cars to Brinda. Hey, cars to Vishnu. Oh, you are stupid, non-jealous. Give him the cars. You are very hard-hearted, cruel. You have to become stone. Understand? And no, first you have to become the stone. And one kind of these, what is called, very poisonous. And insects, they will be cut to you small pieces. Then you feel so much pain. So that is called the Salagram Sila. And actually this Salagram Sila, that is coming from where? Gandaki river. Though many Leelas is there, Puranas, Gandaki's Katha is there also. But another Purana is saying this way, actually Lord Vishnu on form, he manifested form of the stone and the one kind of very poisonous and insects. He cut the different and form of the stone. That is called Salagram Sila. Then Lord Vishnu told, if that the poisonous insect cut my body, I will feel so much pain. So I will survive my pain. That time also Vrindadevi she told, if your devotee put that's the sandalwood and tulasi, one form I will appear in this material world in the form of tulasi. So Vrindadevi she appeared in the form of tulasi. And if when you worship Salagram, you have to put Chandan and Tulasi. And then Vishnu is saying, Vishnu body will become cold. Balavindavan Vihari Lal ki jai. So many kathas in this way. So now coming in this way. In this way, Vrindadevi, one form, she appeared in the form of Tulasi. Or also Vishnu, he appeared in the form of Salagram Sila. This lila is going on. Or another form, Varinandan Samsundar, he appeared in the form of Krishna in Golok, in this material world. Then Srimati Radhika, she also felt hundreds years separation from Krishna. This life.
You know, there had been marriage between Salagram and Tulsi. How that
Salagram Tulsi Puja, this is also not in our Gaudiya Sampradaya. Eh? We are not doing this way. Eh? Understand? Because Tulasi, our Sikh Vaishnava, they always say Vrindadevi is not married with Vishnu. If he married, so Parakatta Bhav will not come. Others people they are doing, but because they are doing from taking from others Puranas, because Puranas many katha is there. That katha is saying for the attract to the people, Lokaranjanam. Understand this way. So for this regard, many people they are saying Tulasi Salagram Vivaha, the marriage ceremony with Tulasi and Salagram. But Gaudiya Vaishnava, they don't like this. Salagram is Vishnu sang, means sang Krishna. Or Vrindadevi, Tulasi, that is called Sakshad Vrindadevi. We are singing this song. Brinde Namaste Charanarabindam. Brinde Namaste Charanarabindam. Gangeya Champeya Tadita Binindi Rochi Pravaha Snatitatma Bindi Bandhu Karandu Duti Babasu Brinde Namaste Charanarabindam. Look at that. Tam Kirtan Sat Tantra Vidhi Leela Vidhana Kila Krishna Sakti Murta Tavai Ti Tulasi Niloke Brinde Namaste Charanarabindam. Vrindadevi is very merciful. One form she also manifests in the form of Tulasi. In this verse, read this meaning.
In this world, you assume the form of the Tulasi tree, saying
Uh,
at the end. Those conversant in devotional scriptures glorify you as Sri Krishna's pastime potency, Lila Shakti. In this world, you assume the form of the Tulasi tree. O Vrinda, we offer pranam to your lotus.
So Vrindadevi is two forms. Gaudiya Vaishnava, they respect to Vrindadevi in two forms. Vrindadevi Dibba Murti. So Gurudev established that deities in Rup Sanatan Gaudiya Math Vrindadevi's Vigraha is there. Understand? Or also in Braj Vrindadevi Murti, you can go in Kambavan. Understand? That is called the origin Vrindadevi. And when Aurangzeb, he destroyed all the Hindu temples, that time Jaipur king Mansingh, he took the 6 deities Vrindavan to Jaipur. He protected. The Vrindadevi, she came in Jaipur, Kambavan, and first stay in Kambavan, and she did not go Jaipur. She did not, because Kambavan in this is called Brajmandal Parikrama, and 84 kilo Brajmandal, 84 Brajmandal. So all deities they left, but Vrindadevi she told, I don't want to leave Vrindavan. So for this regard, in Kambavan, Vrindadevi she is staying. Actual origin Vrindadevi she is there. Then many acharyas, they also manifested many deities in Vrindavan. Vrindadevi Vigraha is there also. And
Vrindadevi was made by
Vajranath manifested this.
Brijanath never.
that Vrindadevi. I don't know, Brajanath, Vajranath he manifested, not this, not mentioned. Vajranath, he manifested 3 deities, Govinda, Gopinath and Madan Mohan. These are 3 deities mentioned. But not mentioned, maybe find out the Shastra where is coming this deities. And anyhow, and so Vrindadevi is staying in Kambovan. And this way. Or here Vrindadevi also manifested one form of Tulasi. And why Vrindadevi? She is without Krishna, without Tulasi, Krishna will not accept any kinds of offering. Even Krishna taking rest, sleeping, eating, sitting, everything is with Vrindadevi, Tulasi.
Says here that Rupa Goswami discovered Vrinda in Brahmakund.
Brahmakunda.
Because but she was installed by
Vajranath. This Vigraha,
but they discovered in Brahmakund.
you check. This is saying. Maybe. But generally we discuss about three Vigraha. Govinda, Gopinath and Madan Mohan.
Came from the chanting of the milk ocean.
What?
So it
Tulsi
appeared in a dream to Rupa Goswami that it mentioned in Braj Ras and Holy Down. It mentioned that it appeared in a dream. So he went there and found Vrinda Devi.
Who manifested the Vrindadevi? Vajranath he manifested.
Yeah, manifested.
Uh.
When the Muslims came, because the deity is in the water, so when Rupa Goswami came, he had him sucked on the face. And this
He manifested from
from the
Brahmakunda.
yeah, second dream, he found them.
Okay.
But in dream, got a dream.
In dream.
Yeah, Rupa Goswami got dream that Vrinda is there in Brahmakund.
Then?
And he went and took her from there.
Okay. Many katha is there also. This Vrindashtakam, Vrindadevi Ashtakam, composed by Vishwanath Chakravarti. Why no Rupa Goswami Pad glorified over Vrindadevi? I don't know. Check again. Rechecked. So now coming in this way. And so
You're saying that even when Lord wants to sleep, when he sleep, eats, then Tulsi.
Tulasi, with Tulasi. If you offer anything without offering Tulasi, Lord will not accept. Chaitanya Bhagavad Vrindavan Das Thakur also says, Chappanno Vyanjan Tulasi Bina and Krishna Nakare Grahan. If you prepare many kinds of preparation, how many preparation? 56 types of preparation. Chappanno Vyanjan Tulasi Bina Govinda Nakare Grahan. Tulasi this. Tulasi Krishna Priya. Tulasi is very nearest, dearest of Krishna. Tulasi Krishna Priya. Vrindadevi is very, and her so many activities of Radha Krishna Sweet Leela. And especially Nishanta Leela. Vrindadevi Tulasi is very important Leela is there. দেখিয়া অরুণোদয় বৃন্দা দেবী ব্যস্ত হয় কুঞ্জে নানা রব করাইল সুখসারি পদ্ম শুনি উঠে উঠে রাধা নীলমণি Bhaktivinoda Thakur sang this. Every day we are reciting the what is called Mangala Arati. Actually, this is a Vrindadevi's Bhumika. Role, topmost role. And Nishanta Leela's Vrindadevi's role is at topmost. Look this. Radha and Krishna, they are taking rest. Very nice, beautiful, confidential kunja. And, but almost, and what is called? Sunrise, and eastern side completely illuminated. Then Vrindadevi, she is very anxious. Because in transcendental world, every Sakhis, they have one specific their service duties. Understand? And this is your duty, this is your duty. And in this material world, we are living in our house. Everybody's duties or not. And mother's duty, brother's duty, husband's duty. Understand this way. And Kapil, your duty? What is your duty? Go to your job, hospital. Your mother's duty, your father's duty. Your father's duty every day, wake up and also do Puja Thakurji. I'm looking. Your mother's duty, she prepare very nice, beautiful prasad for Thakurji. This is true or not? I am just to give an example. In the same way, in transcendental world, Vrindadevi is her duty. How to Radha and Krishna, they will wake up and return back their home. Otherwise, a big problem will come. Radha and Krishna, they are taking rest, very nice, beautiful, confidential kunja. Then Vrindadevi, she noticed. Now eastern side completely illuminated. Brahma Murta is come. Then Vrindadevi, Sri Radha Krishna, they are still deep sleep. Because last night they performed sweet Ras Leela, dancing, singing. For this regard, they become very tired. And sleeping together. If they married, no problem, sleeping together, no one disturbed. But Radha and Krishna, they are not married. So for this regard, if Brajavasi will see Radha and Krishna meeting together in Kunja, then Brajavasi become angry or not? Big propaganda will come. Understand this way. So for this regard, Vrindadevi first, he also hints the small baby birds. Though baby birds, they also making sound and with that and fluffing with the wings. This way. But still Radha and Krishna, they are sleeping. If you sleep and if anybody knock your door, you have to wake up. But Radha Krishna, they complete deep sleep. And the birds, small baby birds, and they with their wings, and what is it called? Flapping. Sound coming, but Radha Krishna, they did not listen, they are sleeping. Then Vrindadevi is thinking what to do now. Then Vrindadevi, he also gave the signal to the what is it called? Kakati. No, Kakati. No, listen. There's a rooster. Kakar. Understand? Just you can see where the rooster is there. Just 4 o'clock. They automatically are making sound. 1 or 2 times they all sing. At least 3 times they are making sound. Kakar, as like Veda mantra. And up and down. Understand? The sound is coming. And that time the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika, Manjaris, they are outside in the Kunja. They also heavy chastised that the rooster. Hey, if you again make this sound, then someone cut your head. and you go to the place of Jam Maharaj. Look at this. And then roaster stop. Then Vrindadevi, but still Radha and Krishna, they are taking rest. Then Vrindadevi, you think what to do now? Then Vrindadevi gave hints to the Suk and Sari. Now first you also give the hints to the Kokoti. Kokoti, one sea monkey. She came and also outside of the kunja making sound. Kaka. Then Ravan Manjari she also heavy chastised to Kokoti. This is mentioned in Java Dharma Grantha and first chapter. And Babaji Maharaj to Raman Manjari, this is your duty. This Kokoti, she monkeys disturb the sleepiness of different Radha and Krishna. So you have to chastise this Kokoti. So this katha is there. But still Radha and Krishna, they are taking rest. They can't open their eyes. Then Vrindadevi, she gave hints to Suk and Sari. Then Suk and Sari, they also very nice, sweet, poetical, lyrical ways. They glorify Radha and Krishna. But the lyrical way, they say, when the first rays of sun coming, that is called Jatil. Jatil. Sanskrit word, that is called Jatil. First rays of sun, that is called Jatil. But Radha and Srimati Radhika, she is thinking Jatila coming. Actually, they are singing. And Jatil. But Srimati Radhika, she is thinking Jatila is coming. As like in Surya Kunda, Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj. He always absorbed with Radha Krishna sweet Leela. And one day, his servant, Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj's servant, Bihari Lal, he told Babaji Maharaj, and government has come to meet, he wants to meet with you. And governor come as, he wants to meet with you. Then Jagannath Babaji Maharaj said, and governor go, and Govardhan has come. Governor to Govardhan. Because he absorbed with Govardhan, Leela Katha. Maybe he absorbed Hantai Udri Avala Hridasu Varjo Jad Rama Krishna Charana Sparsha Pramoda Manang Tanoti Sahagopa Gani Paniya Sujavasa Kandar Kandamule. Remembering Giriraj Govardhan Leela Katha. But when his servant Bihari Lal told to Jagannath Babaji Maharaj, oh, governor has come, so he is thinking Govardhan is coming. In the same way, when Suk and Sari, they recited this verse, Jatil. Then Srimati Radhika, she is thinking Jatila is coming. Very nice, beautiful, this katha is also there. Govinda Lilamrit and Sri Krishna Bhavanamit Grantha. How Radha and Krishna, how Vrindadevi, she also served to Radha and Krishna and make wake up, क्या बोलते उनके जगाते हैं, waken up them, waken them up. Then Srimati Radhika, she wakes up. Then first Manjaris, they enter in the Kunja, and this is Srimati Radhika, proper way. Understand? Then Lalita, Vishakha, all the Sakis, they entered in the Kunja, and they the Arati of Radha. So we are singing. जय मंगल श्री गुरु गौर मंगल मूर्ति मंगल श्री राधा कृष्ण जुगल पीरीति मंगल निशांत लीला मंगल उदये मंगल आरती जागे भक्त हृदये तुम्हार निद्राय जीव निद्रित धरा तब जागरणे विश्व जागरित शुभ दृष्टि कर प्रभु जगतेर प्रति जागो कर हृदय मोर सुमंगल आरती हार मयूर सुखादि सारी कतपि करा मंगल जागर हेतु So now coming in this Srila Bhakti Pragan Kishore Goswami Maharaj, he also manifested this song. Actually, original song is coming from Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Bhakti Vinod Thakur sang this song. Dekhiya Urunaday Brinda Devi Vyasta hoy Kunje Nana Rava Karailo Sukha Sari Padda Suni Uthe Radha Nilamani Sakhi Gana Hoya Vyasta. So Radha Krishna they wakes up, then they are the Mangalarti there. Then Krishna is going to Nandagaon and Srimati Radhika she is going to Javat. They're going. But Srimati Radhika's her sleep not mature. She can't to open her eyes also. But she is going to Javat. So she also holds the shoulder of Rupa Manjari or Sham Manjaris. And going in this. And but that time her Anchal or Chundari understand? Their cloth. Stuck in the throne. But Srimati Radhika she is saying these words. Balo Balo Opi. Krishna is saying, hey Krishna, you are completely you are baby. Innocent. Why you are scratching my pulling my Anchal? Why? Look, almost sun rises, and Brajavasi they are coming here. They will be see you are pulling my cloth. Then Sakhis of Srimati Radhika Manjari Detu, here is no Krishna. But actually, hey Radhe, your Anchal stuck in the throne. Then Srimati Radhika she ascend. This like one. Then Srimati Radhika she very quickly came in Javat and she lay down her bed. Understand this? Then her here Jotila Kutila they notice the Srimati Radhika still she is sleeping. Then Jotila Kutila she entered in the room of Srimati Radhika. And when they saw their eyes become very big. What they saw? They saw the Krishna's yellow garments. Pitambar, yellow garments on her body. Then Jotila Kutila, they become very angry and shouted and called out all the young ladies, what is it called? Old ladies. Purnamasi, Jugme, others. Shouted this way. Then Rupa Manjari, she is very expert. And she took there the yellow garments and put under the bed of Srimati Radhika. And understand? And then put another blue cloth. Then all the old ladies enter in the room of Srimati Radhika. Where is the blue? Where are the yellow garments? Are you are completely blind. This first rays of sun look like is also yellow. So you are thinking yellow. Because always you are thinking Krishna, Krishna. Krishna is coming in my house, Krishna is associated with my wife. For this regard, you are thinking this. They have it chastised to Jatila Kutila. Balavrindavan Lila. Jai Jai Sri Ram. Balavrindavan Vihari Lal ki. Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna. Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna. Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna. Jaya Radhe Jaya. Subhadya Bhaktivinoda Thakur in this song, what is saying? Last he is saying, Ei Lila Smarar Gao Krishna Nam Achirate Krishna Prem Pave Premodan. And when you are in the morning, wake up, then you chant holy names and remember these pastimes. Then automatically Krishna Prem, Radha Prem will manifest in your heart. He is saying, Ei Lila Gao Ar Smara Krishna Nam Achirate Krishna Prem Achirate Krishna Prem Dham Pave Prem Dham. Jai Jai Sri Ram. When you chant holy names early in the morning, you have to remember this Leela. Understand? But you wake up what time? 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, then another Leela will come. Another Leela. Another pastime coming. Understand? So how possible? That means you have to wake up what time? Brahma Murta. Then actually this is called that is called Nisanta Lila. So for this regard this way. And wake up early in the morning, at least Brahma Murta. Before sun rises, 1 hour, 36 minutes. Then we chant holy names and remember. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki. Oh, you remember? You want to remind to me. So now time is over. Maybe tomorrow.
This evening.
अरे थोड़ा बोलेंगे बाद में. अच्छा शाम को बोलेंगे. हमारे कुछ नहीं होता, हम तो सारा दिन बोलते रहे. और मैं जो बोलता ना फिर खत्म नहीं होगा तो तुम चिल्लाते रहोगे. और ये प्रभु जी कहेंगे प्रभु
दीदी